Good morning for all the traders who are watching this webinar. This is Start Your Morning with Scalping and Day Trading. My name is Zoltan. This is a live webinar with live trading and chart analysis. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to ask via chat window. So remember that 76% of the retail investors are losing money when they are trading with CFDs and other products. So you should consider whether you can afford to take the high risk of losing your money. And this information is not an investing advice, not financial advice. Please carefully read it. And if you start to trade, you should try everything first with demo account, set the lot sizes, stop loss, learn how to manage the risk, how to handle positions, how to open positions, how to close, what is lot size, and how much money can be lost. It's easily to calculate. So I hope that you are keenly aware of all the risk of trading. And after having read this short risk disclaimer, and after considering that almost 80%, 76% of the traders are losing money, we can start this 30 minutes webinar. And for scalping and day trading, the better you can do, the best you can do to choose those products which have lower spreads and which are volatile, like Dow Jones, Eurodollar, DAX, oil, gold, GBP, USD, and many other things. So after this short presentation, let me share my screen, my MT4, and I would like to get the feedback if everything is visible or not. And we will open a long position now, Eurodollar. I am trading for continuation of the trend. Maybe this will be a double bottom, a W. And I will set the profit somewhere here. And we will see what will happen in the next few minutes with this position. If I will lose money, it will be around, let me calculate it. I will set the stop loss a little bit higher. So I can lose $40, and I will set the take profit level to an M15 level, to the next resistance zone. And we will see, maybe I will lose money. If not, maybe we will be lucky. This is the first trade during this webinar. And let me check NASDAQ. I will open a trade on NASDAQ also for false breakdown. What is false breakdown? Here we have a very important level, the neckline of this double bottom. If the chart will go above this red line, maybe this will be a false breakdown. And we will see if it is a good decision or not a little bit later. And I will trade on DAX also with a quite big lot size. Please do not follow me. Or if you trade, try it on demo account with very small lot sizes. If the continuation of the main trend will happen, we will approach maybe this level. Some minutes before the webinar started, we have had a nice double top here. So many traders opened short positions, and my plan, if somebody opened a short position here, he or she set the stop loss around this area. If I am right, and if it will be a false breakdown, we can approach the two horizontal red trend lines. If not, we will lose some money. As you can see, this demo account is around $79,000. My daily risk must not exceed 1%. So I have many time, and I have got not so big positions now, so we will see what will happen. We don't have too many macroeconomic data today, but during the first 1 or 2 hours, and German and other European markets are open, there are many trading setups. And after that, maybe after 2:30 p.m. or 3:30 p.m., we can go back to the charts. What will happen around the American opening hours? And the last 2 hours from 8 p.m. or 8 p.m. until 10 p.m., you can trade with Dow Jones or S&P 500 or NASDAQ. We will see. Until we wait, maybe we will get a stop loss. I will close some part of my gold positions. If I will lose some money, I will cover the loss with partial closing. It was a very nice double bottom on gold. It's a long-term trading. I believe that maybe we can go higher and higher during the day. If not, if this trend line will be broken, I will close all. Because now we have a nice uptrend channel, but anything can happen. This is trading. If you check the account history, we lost some money with euro dollar. I will show it. And I will try to open a little bit bigger position. Just I'm waiting for feedback from the market. So this was my stop loss level. And I try to get into this long direction again. My plan is, first of all, we will approach maybe the red line, but this is not trading advice. And my second target with this position is to approach the yellow diagonal trend line. If not, we will lose money again. Doesn't matter. We have to try. And the most important thing that actually this is still an uptrend until we are above this trend line. Maybe we will approach this trend line, maybe not. We will see. Many times it happens if I lose a trade and I get in the same direction. Sometimes it's a good idea. Sometimes it's better to reverse the positions. But now it seems to be a good decision. Until we wait, we can check what happened on DAX, nothing special, and what happened on NASDAQ. Yesterday was a very good day on this trading account. We made maybe more than $1,000. It's only demo, unfortunately. So if I lose 200 or 300 or a little bit more today, doesn't matter. Now the markets are a little bit sleepy. It's a little bit boring. Maybe I will go back to euro dollar. Something is happening there. Let me close one. And let me set a 3-point trailing stop. The money we lost is coming back. maybe I will set the stop loss a little bit higher, the trailing stop, and we have to wait maybe some minutes. So you can see, this is gold, that if you get a stop loss, my target zone was the red line and the yellow. As you can see, we approached my second target zone, so I will close 0.05 just to show you how to set the partial closing. And I will modify the stop loss to the break-even point. If the trend line will be broken, it was a good idea to set back the stop loss to the break-even point because we will see a breakout. If not, my stop loss is a zero game. So my new target zones are these zones, and we will see. Let's check the account history. It's not the best, but you can see that we lost some money. Almost all the money gained back because of re-entering the same direction. So we have to wait now. Let me check gold's chart. If you trade with gold or euro dollar, do not start it with one lot. Just start it with 0.10 or something like this. Let's go to DAX. If it's too boring, maybe I will close it soon. But I strongly believe that we will approach, or we may approach this zone. And the second target is this zone. And if the main trend, now this bearish, will be broken, we will go higher and higher. This is my trading plan. This was the breakdown, and this is the pullback. It's very important. If we will not break through this trend line or this one, it will be better to close the position. Let's go back to euro dollar. Nothing happened here. And let's check DAX again. If you have any questions about the trades, just please do not hesitate to ask it. Euro dollar is approaching the yellow diagonal downtrend trend line. Let's check DAX again, and let's check NASDAQ. So now we have to wait. To tell you the truth, I don't like to wait, but we have to. Maybe after 5 or 10 minutes, something will happen. Now we try to approach the red line again. And we have got another resistance, which is a little bit tricky. I mean, this trend line. This is downtrend. If it is breaking, we can go to the red lines or the yellow other two lines. We will see. In 1 or 2 minutes, we will see the direction of the market, I think. We can go back to euro-dollar for some seconds. If the stop loss will be activated, it will be time to close some part of my open positions for the 003. Swing trade from yesterday. Maybe I will modify. I made some money, so I can modify the stop loss a little bit lower. No, it's not needed. It's okay. I was lucky. We can go back to DAX. Look at this line. In 10 seconds, we will see the real direction of the market. I will set the stop loss closer. And we are preparing for a partial closing. Now I will close only one lot. I used to close 2, but now I am optimistic because we broke this trend line. If the horizontal trend line will be broken also, it will be okay. Let's check how much money we will lose, around $20, and how much money we will make. It may be $88. Euro-dollar position is stubbed without any losses, in my opinion. Let me check it. As 0.45. Doesn't matter. And we have the most important, that we have DAX. And we have Nasdaq also. I will set a take profit around this area. And we can check gold. I will open a smaller trade. Maybe this is a false double top. Risk will be around $20, $25. If this double top is false, we can achieve first the top of the double top. And after that, the top of this double or triple top. We will see. Or maybe I will use simple trading stop loss on gold. Or maybe I will set the stop loss a little bit closer. Let's go back to euro-dollar. I will open a position again. Stop loss will be very close to this price. And set the take profit level around this zone. Let's go back to gold. I cannot concentrate on too many positions. So that's why I will use a trailing stop. Look at this. Approaching the resistance line. If we are breaking it, it will be a lucky trade. If not, we will make $3 or $4. It's not too much, but it's okay. Let's go. Or let's have a stop loss, but it's positive result. Maybe euro dollar was not a good idea, but I just trade because I want to show you how to trade. This is my last attempt on euro dollar. And let's go back to Nasdaq and DAX. Nasdaq is, it's okay, but I cannot concentrate on too many positions. So that's why I will set the stop loss of Nasdaq here. I will have a smaller amount partial closing. It will be around 0.30. I used to close around 0.60, but now it's okay. And I will modify the take profit level a bit higher. Somewhere here, I don't care, because maybe we will be lucky and the price will go up. This is my favorite position, DAX. Let me close 0.50. And let me modify the take profit higher, doesn't matter where, just higher. Because if we are lucky, maybe this will be a nice day trade or swing trade. So it doesn't matter where, I just want to set the take profit to the sky because I don't want to close too early this position. Maybe euro dollar will get a stop loss. Doesn't matter. We have to wait. Let's check what happened with gold. We are going to the resistance level again. Let me trade again, just for fun. And let's go to euro dollar. We are trying to break through this trend line again. So it's too many positions, sorry that I cannot concentrate on each. So that's why I will use a trailing stop on it and set the take profit higher. Let's jump up. It's amazing. Let's go to gold. Dear traders, we are very lucky now. This is how to trade. Look at euro dollar. Look at this. It's amazing. So today, traders were lucky. We are approaching a new target zone. This was unfortunately a demo account. Today's result is here. We have stop losses. Let's go back to Nasdaq. Partial closing. It will be okay. Let's go back to DAX. I will make another partial closing. If I lose money, it's -9. So I will close 0.40, 16 floating. If I lose money, it's -6. And +6 is closed. No more risk. on DAX. Let's go back to euro dollar. I was very lucky with this trailing stop loss. So this is how to set your trading plans. This is how to manage the risk. And this is how to be lucky. That was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this session. And now we are waiting for the rest of the trading day. That was me. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.